Hello everyone, I'm Erica, LOL, Beauty and Reviews, and this is my channel. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to stay. If you don't seem like you agree with anything or you don't jive with me or whatever it's called, then that's fine. I'm glad you came by anyways. But today we're going to be doing an Ulta haul. I'm not sure if this makeup look will go up prior or if it'll go up after. So stay tuned. This is the makeup look is the Samantha March and Ofra collection. And the foundation is a Urban Decay new one. So yeah. Alright, let me get everything out of this box. We're just going to take it all out. And I will show it to you one at a time. It's not like a humongous amount. Because let's face it, none of us have that kind of money right now. Alright, the first thing I got, they had the 21 Days of Beauty. And I got a Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is going in my backup because I just opened one, but I love this pencil. This is one of my favorites. The next thing I got was another foundation to try out for you. It's the Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation with Hyaluron and Aloe Vera, 24-hour long lasting, and I got it in 40 Natural Vanilla. It looked like it was the closest shade to me, but then again, you never know. It is sealed, so if you get this, it's supposed to be sealed. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put that down there because we're not opening it because I'm already trying stuff. And then I got the Prime Plus Studio by Essence 24-hour hydrating skin refreshing primer, because if you've been here for a while, you know I love that Becca Skin Love, and I've been trying to find something similar to the way it feels when I put it on my skin. This one is not sealed. It looks like it's a white dot when I first put it on there. There's really not a scent to it, but it does feel kind of hydrating. It does look hydrating too. So hopefully that's a winner. We'll put this down here. The next thing is I got a Too Faced Plumped to the Max. I got Lip Plumper and Plumping Face Primer. It's like the minis, I think. I'll find out in a second. Nope, that might be full size. This is the, nope, this is travel size primer. I love, it feels heavy. That's why I thought, oh, it was full size, but it's not. We're going to go ahead and stick it. It does have a scent to it. That's what it looks like on your skin. I'm just going to rub it in. It's very liquidy, so I would say since this is on my hand, look how far it's going down. It's going from here to there. So one little pump should be enough because the dot was the size of a pea. And I was able to put it all across my arm. It does have a nice little fresh scent to it. And then the lip injector, this is Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I'm not going to put it on my lips right now, but that's what it looks like. It's like a pink color. Alright, and then my favorite mascara besides my new favorite, which is the Lancome Teint D'Idol. But my other favorite was the Superhero and the Roller Lash. This is going in my drawer. I'm not even going to open it right now. Let me see if I got a full-size one in here. I believe I do. But I have to be able to get to it, and I think the drawer is stuck. I'll show you another time. I don't know what's going on with this drawer. I thought I had everything fixed. What in the world? Okay, we're going to leave the drawer open. Alright, so that both of those came in a box, and there's a little, probably warning pamphlet for the other thing. We're going to put these back in the box. I'm going to put the little pamphlet for the lip injector in there. Alright. Then we got, oh, I had to buy this. This is the YesStyle I believe. Yeah, YesStyle Beauty. It's a little purple and pink palette. Let me know if you want to see this. It might be on sale right now. They even had a blue one. I have so many things. Like, I even bought the Urban Decay Wild West palette. I can't get this to come out of the box right now. But that's what the colors look like. It's like purples and pinks. And I just love those colors. The next thing is the Too Faced. That's my Jam palette. It's another, you guessed it, purple and pink. This color looks really pretty. I don't know why I usually don't swatch. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna guess it's called Pickup Limes. That one right there. Look at that shade. Wow. I gotta put it on my eyes. Hold on. We're gonna use our finger. Wow. Okay. It's not doing exactly what I want it to right now, but I also have the Ofra and Samantha March collection on my eyes, so we'll come back to that. This was a little free gift. It's a little Too Faced pencil bag if you want it to be, so I might put that in the back to school giveaway. The little bag, because y'all could use this as a pencil case. And some Better Than Sex mascara. I have a full size, so that'll go back in the bag because I did just recently buy a full size of it. And then I did get the Ordinary High Coverage Formula Concealer in 1.2 Light to go with the Ordinary foundation I've been trying. So that'll be coming in a video soon. And then for everything I bought, I got a free gift. So we're going to go ahead and open and show you this. I love this bag. It's so summery. The first thing is a Detoxifying Peel Off Charcoal Mask. That'll be going in a giveaway. Then we have a Dry Hair Repairing Wild Honey Mask. Cruelty Free by Rusk. I love hair masks. We have a Murad Hydration Intense Recovery Cream. Step 3, and it's a decent sized box for a tiny little thing that lasts 6 months after you open it, so we're not going to open it. I've heard some really good things about this, but I'm not sure I'll be using it because I have a ton of skincare in a container over there that I haven't got to yet. We have Diva Curl High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil. This is Shine and Finish. It's a little, tiny little thing. Then we have Bare Face Exfoliating Enzyme Jelly Cleanser by Bio Clarity. It's got pineapple, papaya, and squalene in it. And it is sealed, which is good. Alright. And then we have the Living Proof Curl Definer for curls. I have tried the full size of this and it wasn't for my hair, so that will probably be going in a giveaway also. Polo Blue, I'm pretty sure this is a men's cologne. If it's not, let me know. Then we have La Vie Est Belle by Lancôme. I don't know, this isn't the one I'm wearing. Then we have a Strivectin Tighten and Lift Peptide Tightening and Face Serum. I like some of the stuff I have tried from Strivectin, I'm not going to lie. It doesn't say they're cruelty free. It's a little component. It's got directions in here in case I decide not to keep it. I'm keeping everything together. Then we have, I've heard so much about this that I really kind of want to try it. This is the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. I have heard so many good things that it smells good, but I do want to try this. We have the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Kiwi Moisture Mask. It is sealed. It looks like this. It's just a little travel size or trial size. We have the Vita Libra Advanced Organic Self-Tanning Gradual Lotion with Marula Oil. I like gradual tanning lotions when I use things like that and it's sealed, because I don't like the fact that it's just going to be one day you're kind of pale and the next day you walk out and you're tan. It's kind of self-explanatory that you did something. It's not natural, at least to your neighbors. Everyone else, it's fine. But I kind of like the whole gradual, because when you go out tanning in the old days, before everybody started realizing how bad the sun was for you, you didn't get a dark tan within one day. You did it multiple times, or you were at the beach multiple times before it kind of showed, or you sunburned. But I like the gradual thing, because then, you notice it's getting too dark, you could use regular lotion. You don't have to keep going back. But that's me. Everyone has their own ways they like things. But this is, I can't wait to try this, and I will let y'all know how well it works. Right now I use the Jergens one. I love it. When I use it, I used it the other day because I was going to be outside and I didn't want to take a chance on burning. So I used it the 2 or 3 days in a row before I went outside. This is the CoverGirl's Exhibitionist Lid Paint. In the shade Sorry Sweetie. I am probably not going to keep this. This is probably going to go in a giveaway, a monthly giveaway. I already got a box for the May monthly giveaway. Then we have Mineral Bath Salt Relaxing Lavender. If I ever get a chance to relax in the bath, I love bath salts. Lately, I haven't had the chance. They got the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, Luminous and Translucent. It's got peptide complex. Put on dry skin on AM and PM. So this is a skincare item. Let me show you. It looks like that. Trying to find the right spot where my camera won't try to focus on me as hard. We have the Quench by Beauty Bio. Barrier Repair Technology Lactic Acid Rich Recovery Cream. Clinically proven. And it's a little tiny sample. And it's got the big... See this? I don't know about the plastic. But this to me is a little bit better. And it says once you open it, it's good for 18 months. We have the Cover FX Mattifying Primer. I can't wait to use this one, especially during the summer. I find when I have like a glowy foundation, that's my favorite, that when I use a mattifying primer with it, it kind of makes it like a natural finish one. So then we have the Redken Protein Complex All Soft Conditioner. This one will be going in a giveaway. This is the Clinique. I believe it's Clinique. Yeah, Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. But I already have one. So it'll be going in a giveaway. And then we have the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. Baby, move, baby. I know. And then the Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protection. And we have the Zero. Okay. That was everything. He's ready for me to go. I will see y'all in the next one. Love you. Bye.